Users on social media have speculated about a possible romance between the actor and lawyer Camille Vasquez. Users on social media have been wondering if Johnny Depp was dating his lawyer Camille Vasquez in recent weeks. Camille Vasquez has been seen putting her hand on the actor's arm in some photos. Other photographs have captured Depp's smiles at his lawyer. After spending so many days together working on this case and sharing private information, it appears that the entire situation has brought something positive into Depp's life, as well as his lawyer's Camille Vasquez. As you can see in the video, they have developed a close relationship, and this situation has escalated to the next level. Could Camille be Johnny Depp's next love interest? What are your thoughts on Camille? And most importantly, what does Johnny Depp think? Will this information be used against Johnny by Heard's legal team? Stay tuned for more information. Camille Vasquez, Johnny Depp's glamorous lawyer, is gaining a following of her own. The 37-year-old attorney has gotten a lot of attention and praise for her tough cross-examination of Amber Heard. Fans of Johnny Depp are lining up outside the courtroom in Fairfax, Virginia to see or hug Vasquez, and videos of her have received hundreds of millions of views online. Everything you need to know about the actor's well-known lawyer is right here. Vasquez is an associate at the prestigious law firm Brown Rudnick, which is representing Depp in his $50 million libel suit against his ex-wife Heard. Vasquez specializes in litigation and arbitration and is based in Orange County, California, according to the firm's website. Her practice focuses on plaintiff-side defamation cases, such as the one Depp filed against Heard over her op-ed in the Washington Post in 2018. Vasquez graduated with honors from Southwestern Law School in 2010 and from the University of Southern California in 2006. She has been named a one to watch by the best lawyers in America for 2021 to 2022, and she speaks Spanish fluently. But what is Camille Vasquez's role in the Depp trial? Vasquez works as an associate at the firm that represents Depp and is a member of his legal team. She has been questioning witnesses throughout the trial, but she caught eyes this week during Heard's cross-examination when she frequently sparred with the actress on the stand. Vasquez began the second day of Heard's cross-examination by questioning her about her claim that Depp violated her with a bottle of Maker's Mark bourbon during a fight in March 2015 in Australia. "You're the one who assaulted someone with a bottle in Australia, isn't that right, Miss Heard?" Vasquez asked. "You weren't scared of him at all, were you?" "I didn't assault Johnny in Australia. I didn't assault Johnny ever," Heard responded. Unsurprisingly, fans just love Camille. One fan tweeted, "I am still a Johnny Depp fan, but I am also now a die-hard Camille Vasquez fan. Hashtag I stand with Johnny Depp." Vasquez also forced Heard to admit that she had broken a promise to donate a portion of her $7 million divorce settlement to the ACLU, and she was questioned about whether she had altered photos of herself with bruises. Heard insisted, "I never touched a photo." Another tense moment seized upon by Depp's fans was Vasquez's claim that Depp helped her land her role in Aquaman. "No, Miss Vasquez, I got myself that role by auditioning," Heard exclaimed. What else are Johnny Depp fans saying about Camille Vasquez? Vasquez's near-constant objections made it nearly impossible for her to speak, despite attempts by Heard's attorney Elaine Bridehoff to redirect the actress. The majority of her objections were upheld by Judge Penny Ascarati, and the lawyer, who wore a stylish white suit, received praise online for her aggressive and successful strategy, particularly from Depp's fans, who referred to her as a badass and a queen. A popular TikTok video received 17.9 million views in less than 24 hours. TikTok videos with the hashtag Camille Vasquez have received 541.8 million views in total. Lawyers are also praising her, with one prominent attorney calling her the trial's unrivaled star. The most pressing question, however, is whether Camille Vasquez and Johnny Depp are dating. A video of Vasquez and Depp hugging in court went viral, raising questions about her relationship with her accused wife-beater client. When TMZ inquired about Vasquez's possible romantic involvement, she simply smiled. Camille Vasquez is refusing to comment on rumors that she and her client Johnny Depp are dating, but the answer is already out there. Camille, the actor's hotshot attorney, was leaving court in Virginia with the rest of the team, head held high after a proud all-day cross-examination of Amber Heard. Paparazzi approached her outside and inquired about what many people had suspected for several weeks, namely that she and JD were dating. She didn't say much audibly, but her body language was telling, with a nod or a smile. However, what was communicated is open to personal interpretation. Her nervousness is palpable, so this news sent the internet into a frenzy. Fans have even more evidence in this case: Johnny Depp's new love story. The chemistry between these two people is unavoidable, and fans and others have noticed. Is this going to be a problem for the case or the trial? Mr. Depp sued Ms. Heard 3 years ago for referring to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse in a Washington Post op-ed. Ms. Heard countersued Mr. Depp, alleging that his former lawyer defamed her by calling her abuse allegations a hoax. During one section of her questioning, Ms. Vasquez questioned an account of an incident in Australia in 2015 in which Mr. Depp, according to Ms. Heard, sexually assaulted her with a bottle and beat her while high on MDMA. Ms. Heard testified that Mr. Depp's attack left her with a bruised jaw, as well as cuts in her arms and feet from broken glass on the ground. There is not a single medical record reflecting treatment for any of those injuries, is there, Ms. Heard? Vasquez asked. I didn't seek treatment, Ms. Heard replied. Ms. Heard threw a vodka bottle at Mr. Depp that night, striking his hand and severing a portion of one of his fingers, according to Mr. Depp. Ms. Heard claimed that in a fit of rage, he injured his finger by smashing a wall-mounted phone into smithereens. Ms. Vasquez cited a lack of photographic evidence of the broken phone or Ms. Heard's claimed injuries that night. Ms. Heard claimed that there was insufficient documentation of the abuse because she began photographing her injuries accidentally when she wanted to show a friend or her mother. She had not expected such a legal battle, she claimed. Ms. Vasquez also presented Ms. Heard with a love letter written by her about 2 months after the Australia incident, in which she stated, I have seen you in the true bones of friendship and respect. Ms. Heard claims the couple was in a honeymoon period at the time. Like Mr. Depp, Ms. Heard's cross-examination included a volley of insults directed at him during arguments. Ms. Heard can be heard on one recording calling him a sellout and a joke. She admitted to calling him horrible, ugly things on the stand, but she also claimed that he called her names. Ms. Vasquez attempted to show that while Ms. Heard did not name Mr. Depp in the piece, it was clear that the subject was their relationship. When Ms. Heard said she became a public figure representing domestic abuse, she meant the temporary restraining order she obtained against Mr. Depp in 2016. Ms. Vasquez focused on the article's headline at one point. I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. Ms. Heard denied writing the headline and stated in the op-ed that she had no intention of making her sexual assault allegations public. Ms. Heard testified that she was unaware of the headline when she tweeted the op-ed. Not very careful about what you publish, are you, Ms. Heard? Ms. Vasquez asked. I just didn't notice the title, she said. Following Ms. Heard's departure from the stand, the jury heard pre-recorded testimony from Io Tillett Wright, a former friend of the couple who claimed he never saw them hit each other. He did, however, claim to have seen injuries to Ms. Heard's scalp in 2015, shortly after a fight in which she claimed Mr. Depp tore chunks of her hair out. We are confident that Johnny Depp, with the assistance of his lawyer Camille and his legal team, will uncover the truth and be able to shed the stigma that he has carried for the past 5 years. Above all, we are overjoyed that Johnny is experiencing new and positive things after these difficult years. Is it possible that this is a serious relationship? After this confirmation, we are very excited and we are just waiting for the next news from this beautiful relationship. Tell us your thoughts and theories about all of this drama. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us for more news about your favorite celebrities. See you in the following video.